Hey, Best of U.S. Agents, this is Kerry again. And recently I was asked how I communicate on a regular basis with my database. First of all, I want this, so I want to talk about the 5 ways that I recommend that you connect on a regular basis with your database and how best to deliver it. So, right after this, we'll dig deep into that. Okay, I have 5 basic ways that I communicate with my database, my most wanted list. If you don't know what my most wanted list is, search my videos, you'll find. And expired listings. I want to emphasize I've built my business on expired listings. I am primarily a listing agent. Don't do that much with buyers other than the people whose houses I actually sell, and then I have to go with them to find a new house. Um, the first letter that I send and the first communication is what I call a puzzle letter. Um, and that is, it starts out the first line in the sentence, are you puzzled why your house isn't selling? And of course, that's directed towards expired listings. All of these letters that I'm going to go over with you are available to you by just going to bestofusagents.com and filling out your name and your email address, and I'll turn around and email them to you. I'll do it over a period of weeks so I don't overflow you with a whole bunch of them. But the first one you'll get is the puzzled why your house isn't selling. And what it basically does, it takes some work. You find a expired listing that you want to represent, and you tell them why it isn't selling. You go through the pictures, you do a little bit of research, and you come to a conclusion, and then you tell them how you're different and what you will do for them that other agents won't do. And again, that's further explained in the letter, what I tell them that I will do that other agents won't do. That's again sold or sent almost on a daily basis as I find expired listings that I want to list. Shortly after that, usually about 3 days, I then send a copy of my formula for selling homes. Um, and it's a 4 page formula that I go through of how I build a target audience for them, and then how I inform that target audience about their home and its availability. That is followed up from the puzzled letter by 3 days. I also periodically, probably about once a quarter, email that to my database. Currently, my database is about 1,200 people in Birmingham that I would send that to. And then I would snail mail it to my 100 on my most wanted list. Again, about once a quarter. Now, they've seen it the quarter before, but I want to stay in front of them. I want to keep my name and my brand in front of them, so I'll do that quarterly. The next mailing that I make, and I use both snail mail and email, is the just listed letter. I do not send postcards. I don't think most postcards make a impression. Now, you'll see when you sign up for bestofusagents.com and get my just listed letter, I do exactly what they do on the postcard. I put a picture or two of the home, and then I explain how I came about getting the listing and why I believe these people listed for me and what I'm going to do. I reiterate that I show up for every showing. I reiterate that I'm going to do an 8-minute video, and then I direct through my just listed letter where they can go on my website and see that video. So it serves two purposes. I know that on my most wanted list, these are people who want to sell their house. So they're going to be looking for another house. There's an 80% probability that they are. So it serves a purpose to not only make them aware that the house is available, it serves the purpose of making them aware that I am active in the market and that I do things different than other people. The third, or excuse me, the fourth letter that I send is a just sold. Again, I don't send postcards. I send a letter. I show again pictures of the house, structured very similar to the one on the just listed, and I again snail mail it to my most wanted list, and I email it to my database. Within that letter is a separate page that is a letter of recommendation. So I asked the person that I sold the house for to write me a letter of recommendation. Now, in many cases, I have to write it or at least give them something to go from, and we get it sent out. And then the fifth is my state of the market. I basically do that just on email. And when I do it on email, it is supported by the same video that you would find on my YouTube channel. So it has a means of explaining what happened in the market in Word, and then also the ability to click on the video and get it in video as well. So those are the 5 mailings that I systematically do. I use as my email, I use Constant Contact. And if you'd like me to do a video on how I use Constant Contact and walk you through the steps I take, I've become very, very committed to autoresponders. And that is, if someone gets on my mailing list, they drop into an autoresponder and I communicate with them regularly, and I don't have to initiate it. It is set up that once they come into the database, that on a regular basis they get a email from me. And in most of those autoresponders, I include a link to a video on my YouTube channel. So again, if you'll think about it, what I'm trying to do is sell me and my brand on and keep myself with pertinent and relevant information in front of the people who I want to do business with. I'm becoming more and more convinced that general advertising, whether it be in newspapers, local magazines, whatever, is really kind of a waste of money, and I'm questioning the effectiveness of Facebook. You have to, it's expensive, and you have to get these people at the right time when they are in the market to sell or buy a house, and to generally broadcast it is very expensive. To email it is very inexpensive. To construct videos and put that in front of them is very inexpensive. The snail mail, I spend about $57 a month on stamps and whatever the envelopes and the printer ink and things of that cost. So they're relatively inexpensive compared to general advertising. So those are my 5 key communication efforts. I do not write people and tell them it's time to plant tulips, or this is how you can clean a shower door, or I strive to convince the people that I choose to serve that I'm the best real estate agent in the business. When you go to bestofusagents.com, sign up. I'll email these to you. I keep adding to the list of things so that I can keep giving you pertinent information. You're also going to find that there is a place where you can buy my book. My book goes into verbal, written explanation of what I do and how I do it, and what social media tools that I use as well. So I think I need to do a video on how I use Constant Contact, and then I'm working on a video on how I use my dedicated website. I would appreciate it in the comments if you're interested in the website, The Real Geeks. Let me know. If you're using somebody else, like Boomtown or something, give me some feedback on that so I can answer questions in my video that are pertinent to what you want to know. Like the video, that helps my my rating with YouTube's, gets me more, and then share it with other agents. My goal is to get up to 20,000. I'm not there yet. I got a long way to go. So I need your help in any way that you can. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and bestofusagents.com, and I'll give back to you. Okay. Let's keep working at this, and let's keep it fun. All right. Take care.